sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, could feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels
Sing
right.
happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song. So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the your way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. You burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world was brought you down to your knees. That I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. No one could ever know me, no one could ever see me. Seems you're the only one who knows what it's like to be me. Someone to face the day with, make it through all the rest with. Someone I always laugh with, even at my worst, my best with you. Yeah. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my elder sister. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday, Jui Didi. And for now, I will encourage and motivate you to tolerate me more for this lockdown. Good going, stay positive, enjoy your work.
Happy birthday Didi, on this special day of your life I want to wish you an exciting, successful and happy life ahead. अभी जब मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करने की सोच रहा था मुझे थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा था कि आप बाहर ना आ जाओ और मेरा सरप्राइज़ ख़राब ना हो जाए, लेकिन फिर मैंने देखा आप सो रही हो। उस टाइम मेरी सारी टेंशन ख़त्म हो गई क्योंकि मुझे आपसे और आपकी नींद पे पूरा भरोसा है। वैसे तो इस टाइम मेरे पास बहुत सारे हमारे चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज हैं और एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं जो मैं शेयर कर सकता हूँ हमारा लव एक दूसरे की तरफ दिखाने के लिए, लेकिन अभी जो मुझे याद आ रहा है जब बचपन में मुझे मिडनाइट के बाद प्यास लगती थी और मुझे किचन तक जाने में डर लगता था, देन यू यूज्ड टू ब्रिंग वाटर फॉर मी, जब आपको भी जब जिस टाइम पे डर लग रहा होता था। और लोग अगर ये कोई हमारे अलावा हमारी मेमोरी सुनेंगे तो बड़ा बॉलीवुड फील होगा, बट दैट इज़ द लव एंड बॉन्ड विच वी हैव ऑलवेज शेयर फॉर ईच अदर। आई ऑलवेज लव द वे यू हैव पैम्पर्ड मी एंड आई ऑलवेज लव यू।
Hello friends, Kopila!
Janvi, happy birthday. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. I feel very bad that we couldn't be celebrating this birthday together, just like the last 2-3 years. You've grown very wise over the last few years that I've seen you. I've been with you. It's been 5 years actually. Can you believe it? Here's to many more years of growing wiser together and being the divas that we are.
Hey, happy birthday, Janvi. I know this is weird. Your birthdays have always been great, especially the parties. Fun. Missing that time. I hope you have a good birthday. You enjoy at home. And yeah, enjoy. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Janvi. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, Janvi.
God bless you. We miss you. Come soon.
Enjoy your day. Have fun. Party hard. Have fun.
Come soon. Bye.
Hi Janvi, wish you many happy returns of the day. I wish you a lot of success, smiles, happiness, and let's hope this fucked up year gets over soon and wish you a great year ahead, great positive year ahead. Don't forget to party tonight, daru waru arrange kar kaise bhi, and yes, stay the same. Bye, take care. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Janvi. I hope ये लॉकडाउन जल्दी से ख़त्म हो जाए, फिर हम पार्टी करेंगे। Yeah, take care, have fun, enjoy your day. Once again, happy birthday. Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे जानवी।
A very, very, very happy birthday to you.
कितने साल की हुई है सच बताइयो? मोना से बड़ी है ना तू? झूठ बोलती है ना तू हमेशा से? देखिए मुंह से ना सिर्फ तेरे को चिढ़ाने के लिए बढ़ा रखी है मैंने अभी।
Whatever. Janvi look like 20-21 at the max.
कुछ भी ये मोना और मैं ही बता सकते हैं, वैसा और कोई नहीं बता सकता यहाँ पे। पहले नहीं हाउ इस बारी ना तेरी पार्टी तो अब कुछ कर नहीं पाए कोविड की वजह से, बट लेट्स सी कब कोविड का लॉकडाउन प्रॉपरली खुलता है और तू दिल्ली आती है एंड देन फिर प्रॉपरली पार्टी करते हैं। इससे पिछले बर्थडे वाली तो याद होगी तुझे, गाड़ी से निकल के तू कहाँ घूम रही थी।
I missed that, but I really like all the parties, all your parties. Awesome.
चल ठीक है, एंजॉय कर अभी बर्थडे फैमिली के साथ, जल्दी वापिस आ और फिर इस फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय करते हैं, ठीक है? टेक केयर, बाय बाय।
Bye.
Hi Janvi, wish you a very happy birthday. And you know, जब कोई तेरे को मेंशन करता है तो पहली चीज़ जो मेरे दिमाग में आती है इज़ ऑब्वियसली द गोवा ट्रिप, एंड आई कैन नॉट इमेजिन एनीवन एल्स जिसके साथ मैं इतनी बार पकड़ा जा सकता हूँ पुलिस से। आई मीन you're crazy, and I think it was one of the best trips of my life, and Anyways, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay happy, stay safe, and party hard if you can.
Hi there, birthday girl. Wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. I know it's a little sad that you're turning 52. I mean, yeah, it's a little early to be that old. But I miss you. I really do. And I.
Hi, John.
भूला जाने मन
Wish you a very happy birthday.
जन्मदिन मुबारक हो जान.
I can't believe it's been 8 amazing years since knowing you. 2012 राहुल पीजी वसंत कुंज. मुझे आज भी याद है हम लोग लेट नाइट कैसे मैगी खाते थे और वेम्पायर डायरीज देखते थे. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर रंग दे बसंती एक बार हमने लगाया था रात को और मॉर्निंग के 4 और 5 AM तक वी वर लाइक स्टिल क्राइंग. वी वर लिटरली क्राइंग.
You must be having so many crazy memories together.
Yeah, and I think first time ऐसा हो रहा है कि तुम्हारे बर्थडे पे we are not together. But I am happy that you are celebrating it with your family. आखिर फैमिली की तरफ से भी तो पैम्परिंग बनता है.
पैम्परिंग तो जरूर बनता है क्या जान. But you are worth all the pampering also.
John, you are an amazing friend. You have always been a great support, not just for me, for
Even
both
for
of
me,
us.
you have
Yes,
been the
you-
greatest help for me. I will say in the amazing journey from Mumbai to Delhi.
John, you are my Rachel and I am your Monica forever. I love you to the moon and back, my sweet little Brent.
Brad, yes, a bold and beautiful personality that you are. I think you are the smartest personality in my life. I will say, yes, I know you want me to cut my hair, but soon once the saloons reopen. Okay?
Jaldi.
So I will say that you are the person who has made me explore Delhi from Janpath to Khan Market. We have had so many fun and crazy memories from the small little shiny house parties to the amazing club nights that we have, and even I will add the hangovers next day, the cooking and the shikanjis that we have prepared, and the talks, smart little crazy talks that we have, the pillow fights that we have, the jumping on the bed we did. I hope this stays forever and we share such more memories in future as well. I thank God that you are in my life, and I thank you for the greatest gift that you have made it possible for me to have, and thanks for everything. Be the person you have been always to me, to her, to everyone. You have been the best at every step, I will say. Jaldi milo.
Jaldi milo, let's celebrate
Yes.
it together.
Celebrate with a blast together once
miss
this
you.
quarantine is over. We miss you a lot. See you soon.
Take care. Bye.
Bye-bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे जान. हैव अ ग्रेट डे एंड आई होप टू सी यू सून. और फिर से गोवा जैसा ही मचाएंगे, शॉट्स पे शॉट्स पिएंगे.
Hi Janvi, wish you a very happy birthday. I know we've never really met, but I hope to see you soon. And hey, have a great day. Bye.
Sparrow, wish you a many many happy returns of the day. वो मैं हंस रही थी क्योंकि मेरा भाई हंसा रहा था मुझे स्पैरो कह के. कहता है कि जैक स्पैरो का बर्थडे.
मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है what should I speak in this video, but I really miss you a lot. I wish कि हम यहाँ पे काफी होंगे बैंगलोर में, but let's hope things get better next year and hopefully we'll celebrate your birthday with a bang. Also, I would like to sing a birthday song for you. Here it goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sparrow. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. That is so long song. I can't sing it. That doesn't matter.
But I would like to thank you for coming into my life and making it worth living. I don't ever regret a single day.
Happy birthday, Janvi. I know that was a bit messed up, but I know you are too sweet to criticize or be angry about it. But anyway, happy birthday once again.
Wish you the happiest birthday ever. उम्मीद तो ये थी कि शायद इस बार कुछ सेलिब्रेशन कर लेंगे as we were in Delhi, but आपका जन्मदिन और कोरोना एक साथ आ गए. आई विश इस साल तेरी शादी हो जाए और हमारे जीजू आपको रोज क्रैकल खिलाएं.
Hi Jahanvi, happy birthday. I knew you had some indication that the surprise was happening, but you didn't know who all was going to be in on that surprise. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day. Happy, happy, happy birthday. I can't wait to see you when all of this is over, and we're going to go party, and we're going to have all the best butter chicken in the world.
White shirt, now red, my bloody nose sleeping. You're on your tippy toes creeping.